Imagine a world where our entire planet is made of iron. At first, it sounds like science fiction, right? But let's dive into the wild possibilities of this scenario and explore what that might look like. First off, if Earth were to be completely iron, the planet's surface would constantly be around 650 degrees Celsius. That's hotter than a steaming pot of water. You might think that's a crazy temperature for a planet, but interestingly, it's not that far off from our current global average temperature of about 14 degrees Celsius. Picture vast, molten landscapes shimmering under a red-hued sky. Not exactly the cozy Earth we know. Now, let's talk about magnetism. Iron is a ferromagnetic material, meaning it sticks to magnets. If Earth were iron, everything around us would become magnetized. Imagine your fridge suddenly turning into a giant magnet, able to suck up metal objects. We'd find iron everywhere on the surface, just waiting to be picked up, no mining necessary. But hold on a second. This wouldn't be all fun and games. Consider a big magnet in space. Drop an iron ball near it, and it would start circling the magnet just like a moon orbits a planet. That's right, you'd have iron balls floating around, potentially interfering with satellites. Imagine how complicated space communication would become. And if we sent a mission to Mars, our spaceships would have to dodge these floating iron balls. Talk about an unexpected danger for astronauts! Now, iron's cool and all, but let's get a bit more adventurous. What if instead of iron, Earth was made of copper? This metal is a superstar when it comes to conducting electricity. If our planet were copper, we wouldn't have to dig deep for wires. They'd be lying around. But think about this, we'd also be dealing with an incredibly hot kitchen. Since copper would conduct heat so well, cooking would turn our homes into saunas. Electric stoves could be too inefficient, leading to waste heat that makes everything sizzle. Not the warm and cozy home you dream of, right? How about gold then? If Earth was entirely gold, it would be like a giant shining treasure! Imagine everyone being rich beyond their wildest dreams. But here's the twist: gold, while valuable, has some downsides too. It's very dense and not the best conductor of electricity. Power a light bulb. You'd need massive power plants just to light up your living room? What a bother, right? In this wild world of possibilities, we learned that while it might be fun to imagine a planet of iron, copper, or gold, there are significant challenges that come with these shiny dreams. It's a reminder to appreciate the Earth we have, which, while imperfect, offers us a stable environment to thrive in. In the end, imagining these alternative Earths makes for a fun thought experiment. But it's probably best that we stick to good old Earth as it is. So the next time you pick up a piece of metal or glance at that shiny gold ring, remember it's fascinating to imagine. But sometimes reality is quite enough. Thanks for tuning in to this imaginative exploration. Remember that every little thing about our Earth adds up to make it the amazing planet we call home!
Please, subscribe!